I'm Christine Sabilio, and we're here at the Senate, where accused-turned whistleblower Ruby Tuason is expected to bear all against the perpetrators of the pork barrel scam.
I would like to do something. I don't want to die with 80 million Filipinos hating me. I don't want to die with my grandchildren being ashamed of me. So I felt I have to do something, and I have to correct my mistake, and I cannot possibly right a wrong with another wrong. So, and after that, I had also talked to the Jingo had called me, and I said, ano may matutulong ba sa akin? Kasi sabi, ano ba tutulong ko sa'yo? Wala. So parang, ano ba ito? Bakit gano'n, di ba? At least, I have never been sued like this. I have no experience of having to go to court. Much so pa, blunder, kasi non-bailable, gano'n. So, I made a decision. My lawyer explained to me the pros and cons of this. I knew that it's a big risk. It is not sure that I will be accepted in. But also, I wanted to be sure that if I were to die, assassinated, or of natural causes, at least I can meet my maker. But I have asked for forgiveness, and as I said, I will return money to the government. You know, when I was in the States, and all this, and then the Yolanda happened, I have TFC kasi, no, in the States. And I saw all this devastation. Sala akong nag-give. Not that the little money, that's not little, it's a lot of money. Not that that money would have made a difference for such a big devastation. Pero, when I saw that, lalo akong nanghina. Na sabi ko, I have to do something about it. Hihingi ako, araw-araw ko nasa simbahan, hihingi ako ng tawad sa ginawa ko. Hindi mo pwedeng lip service lahat. I think I have to do something, sacrifice something to be able to feel better and my conscience will get clear.
You said you're willing to return yung 40 million na nakuha niyo po as applications. Is that in cash or in the form of properties?
No, I will have to liquidate. I'm nothing. I'll have to liquidate something.
So that's sacrificial because you have to sell your property. Would you have to sell your family home?
I only have one asset, which is my house.